Recording artist Jahmiel is gearing up to embark on a tour later this month. The artist will head to Grenada, where he is slated to kick off his performance on June 12. Following that Grenadian stint, the singer will then head to the UK for a tour scheduled for July. The tour will see him promoting his 16-track sophomore album Legend, which was released on April 15. Legend is executively produced by Sweet Music, distributed by 1RPM, and features collaborations with Massacre, Vershawn, Stoneboy, and Bugle. Jahmiel recently released his latest video, Story of My Life, which currently amassed over 700,000 views on streaming platform YouTube. The artist also remains the #1 most streamed reggae dancehall act on Audiomack for the past 5 weeks. Now, Queen of Dancehall Spice was featured on Toronto Eaton Centre as the face of Spotify's Equal Women at Full Volume billboard. Spice took to Instagram, where she shared the milestone accomplishment with her 4 million followers. In her caption, she stated that, quote, "So honored to participate in this Equal Spotify Canada campaign, Women at Full Volume." The 49-track playlist for Equal Canada features Spice's massive hit single, So Me Like It. It also sees dancehall artist Pampute and Bambi's Nice as part of the lineup. The audio streaming platform Spotify launched the initiative last year to highlight the women creators on its platform and working towards equity in the audio industry. It's a dedicated space to celebrate women creators and help increase awareness of their work among fans. Spice's So Me Like It has surpassed 106 million views on YouTube and 54 million plays on Spotify. Produced by Not Nice, the raunchy breakthrough single is featured on her debut album 10. Recording artist Jahmiel's legal team has filed an appeal to overturn his attempted manslaughter conviction, according to the Netherlands Prosecution Service. Both the prosecution and defense have appealed the lower court's decision. However, no date has been set for the hearing. Jahmiel was convicted of attempted manslaughter in March of 2022 for stabbing a show promoter in October 2021 over unpaid money. In the Netherlands, he was sentenced to 6 years in prison. However, he was cleared of all charges related to an alleged attempted murder. Prosecutors have filed an appeal against the singer's acquittal on the attempted murder charge following his sentencing. Now onto the international scene, where Canadian singer The Weeknd is celebrating the success of another track that has entered YouTube's billion streaming club. The artist recently reached this massive accomplishment with his 2016 hit single I Feel It Coming, featuring Daft Punk, which recently hit 1 billion views on the streaming platform. The single is featured on his third studio album Starboy, which peaked at #4 on the Billboard Hot 100 chart. The Weeknd will be teaming up with the largest crypto exchange by trading volume, Binance, to create the first ever crypto-powered international music tour. The Weeknd's After Hours Till Dawn tour is scheduled to begin July 8. This collaboration represents the first global music tour to integrate Web3 technology. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.